Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a quiz inside GoHighLevel. Before we jump in, let's talk about why quizzes are so powerful. Quizzes work because people love engaging content, and that means higher sales revenue and more clients. So let's jump right into it. First of all, you would want to go to Sites and then click Quizzes. And then you simply click Add Quiz. And now you have two options. You can start from scratch, so build your own quiz, or you can use a template. We're going to start from scratch because I'm going to teach you how to build a quiz. So you just click create, and there we go. You should see this page right here. Now, this is basically the simple GoHighLevel controls, like this is the heading, this is the undo button, this is the redo button, and this is the add quiz elements. So now, you can just drag multiple choice, yes or no, or whatever you want from here on your page. So, since I'm doing a landscaping quiz, but you can do whatever you want. You can do a HVAC quiz, a plumbing, a furniture store, whatever you want. I'm doing a landscaping quiz, so I'm going to drag multiple choice right in here. First of all, we're going to name the quiz. There we go. So now, we can ask them a question. So we're going to do, how often do you see moles? So we're just going to do this, like the question, like the answer names. We can do never, sometimes, and let's do every day. Now, as I told you, this is just my topic, a random topic that I'm doing about lawn, like lawn care and like landscaping, but you can choose whatever you want. It's totally up to you. So now we're going to do add page, and then this side is going to pop up again. Now we're going to drag multiple choice again right here. And now we're going to name the question again. Let's see. What color is your grass? Option 1 will be pale. Option 2 will be green. Option 3 will be none. And now simply we can just add as many pages you want. So we're just going to do add page again. But this time we're going to ask them a question about, do you want to book your appointment? But before we do that, let's add another question to this page right here. Now let's see, what should we do this question? We can do it as, is your lawn planted? So they can do, actually, I have a better idea for this one. We can click here and we can do yes or no choice. So let's delete this, actually, this page. And what we can do is, there we go. So now we can add, is your lawn slanted? Now they can click yes or no. That's perfect. Now we're just going to add another page like this right here. Now let's go back there. And let's do a multi drop down this time. We can ask them a question. How often do you mow your grass? They can do once a week. Change this to once a week, once a month, and let's do this never. And now we're just going to add any page. I recommend your quizzes to be 7 to 10 pages long, because then the client or customer won't get bored. So now we can ask for their full name. Now actually, let's do yes or no again. Or maybe we can do single choice this time. And then let's say, do you want to book an appointment? Right there. So they can do yes, no, or they can do later, online. So if they click yes, we can add a page here, and then we can do add your full name. So I'm not actually like adding this, but my full name is here. And so now we can do add your full name. So add your name. And then we can do add page, and we can do phone number. What is your phone number? So there we go. And I think one more should work. And then we'll do date of birth right there. There we go. So basically we built the whole quiz. So our quiz is about like I think 10 pages long, 10 to 8 pages long. So now to do the result page, we can do edit template, and now this is your result page. You can see overall score 20 when you decide it, and you can change it whatever you want. So yeah, that's all. But we can do call to action, we can do footer, like this is a default quiz, and then you can name this later on. But for now, I'm only going to teach you about this. So we will conquer this in the next video. So I hope you like building quizzes with me, and see you in the next video. Bye.